Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on the settings option. Scroll your screen down and here you can see profile locking option under audience and visibility. Tap on it. Now you'll just have to click on lock your profile button. And that is how you can lock your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.